Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the left side ice door spring in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new left ice door spring. This ice door spring is located at the top of the dispenser under the ice door on the left. It keeps the ice door closed in the normal position. The main reason why the ice door spring would need to be replaced is if it's broken and the ice door stays open all the time, causing ice to freeze at the bottom of the ice container. To get the job done, we need to remove the whole dispenser assembly. I'm going to use the putty knife, and I'm going to start from the bottom carefully. Don't, get excited. Also, if you break one or two clips on the way, that's also okay. It has so many, and it's going to be functional again. This also could be taken away. All right, and it comes out. Turn it over. Now we're going to disconnect the plugs. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to remove the old ice door spring. I'm gonna open slightly the ice door and I'm gonna pull the spring out of this channel. Next, we need to remove it from this hinge. Slide it carefully. And I'm gonna remove the spring. Be careful, don't poke yourself with this sharp edge. This is the old left ice door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so we're going to install the spring. First, we're going to bend this short end and I'm going to slide it onto this shoulder here, post or hinge. I'm going to release that spring. It goes right in the groove here on the top. And we let go of this end, and I'm going to bend it and place it into the channel here. Like that. And now I'm going to slightly open the ice door to see if that works. It does. All right, going to turn it over and we're going to connect these plugs. Turn it over, and I'm going to position it into the cutout. And press it in so it will lock. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.